Yeah, it is available all over the world. So practically all countries have it now. Yeah, and I actually started as one of the distributors from Australia, so it's Amazon Distributors Australia. And when I was signed up as a distributor, I knew nothing of the product. Wala akong alam sa product. So, nung nakapublish na yung website, yung mga customers lang talaga ang nag-educate sa akin. Because everyone around the world already knows it. So, yung mga customers sa Australia will believe na merong local distributor. So, ordering is done online through our website.
Sample item kayo kasi we don't know about laminate. Except you're only speaking the meaning of laminate, the product of the laminate. But the item, you cannot see it.
Well, it's a capsule. Para sample may sample na bottle
Bottle na sama.
Yeah, so you can see. Any questions so far?
Online pa lang siya available.
Well, here in the Philippines, it's both available online and you can go to the office in Robinson's Galleria, or usually ang ginagawa ng customers all over the Philippines is LBC delivery. So they pay through bank. Okay, so here we have, this is how it looks like abroad. Kasi dito, it is marketed in a blister pack. But for purposes of demonstration, this is how it looks like. It has 30 capsules. And then, if you notice here, we have Laminine Omega. And basically, Laminine Omega and Laminine is similar because it both contains FGF. Pero this one contains lesser FGF. But it has certain ingredients like omega fatty acids, vitamin K, which are antioxidants and which is good for cholesterol and for bone health. Yeah, this is the one that's available in the Philippines. And you know, when we say these things, you know, we don't brag about it with no evidence, no? Kasi Laminine has many, is accredited to several medical organizations. Of course, isa din yung American Health Journal sa US, no? And then the PBCOM. And then there's also
Physician's Best Reference. Actually, it's a PDR.